Hello, I'm David and today I want to show you how to repair stripped thread. Normally during bolt tightening you should notice rising torque on the torque wrench. But sometimes you can see something like this. And you know that the thread is stripped now. It happened to two bolts holding disc brake in my XR400. So I need to fix it. Of course, first I need to remove the disc brake. Aluminum hub is softer than steel bolt, so thread was ripped out from the hub while the bolt was over tightened. Now I have to repair thread in those two holes. To achieve this, I'm using this fake helicoil repair kit. First I'm using drill bit from kit to drill out the old thread. Aluminum is soft, so it is easy. Just be sure there is right angle. Next I'm using tab from the kit. You need a special holder for it and it is not included. During the tapping, try to hold the tab aligned to the hole. Every couple of turns you should turn it back a little. That's all. Of course, I do same thing for the second hole. Before next step, make sure that those threads are clean. I think you can use some brake cleaner for it. Finally, it's time to insert thread repair coil using applicator. I also use some red thread locking fluid to secure coil inside. After inserting first one, I break the tank using punch tool. This hole is deep, so I need to use two coils to repair it. I repeat the process as before. This time removing the tank is a little more difficult, so I use smaller hex wrench. After some time I'm cutting off sticking out coil using rotary tool. It is important to make it flat. You don't want to have curved brake disc after all. As you can see, this thread is repaired. So now we can put the wheel back to the motorcycle and test it. Now we can tighten it using bigger torque without any problems. Good job! So far, so good. I like it.